A major snowstorm hitting the Midwest and Great Lakes region, affecting one of the busiest weekends for travel. Storm warnings, strong winds, and more than a foot of snow in some areas are creating return home after Thanksgiving. According to FlightAware, more than say it's not abnormal for the Windy City to be hit with a massive snowstorm this time. It hasn't happened recently. 45 vehicles crashed on the interstate because of snow-covered roads. Officials there urging residents to stay off the